Turn down the music. Alright, this will be the first time ever using this new streaming platform. I think this is called Stream Elements. Yeah. I'm using Stream Elements instead of Restream. But now I can actually see you guys better, which is cool. Ooh, Mr. Fire, welcome. Ace is here as well. What's poppin'? Yes, we're gonna be working on MERT today. This is gonna be quite the different stream than it usually is, because we're actually, you know, working with funny software. And let's get the YouTube thumbnails up. Wait, what kind of thumbnail do I have for MERT? I don't know. I'm just not gonna do a thumbnail, I guess. But we should be live now. Yeah, I haven't streamed in quite a bit, just because of advanced physics. Lots of advanced physics on work. All fun. Look to your left and look to your right. I'm a bit concerned as to what that means. You're in my walls, that's great. Caden Vo is here. Welcome back, Caden Vo. I'm not gonna name it John. Whatever you do, I'm not gonna be calling it John. Wow, the latency of this stream is so much better. Okay, let's just pull up MERT right now. MERT Saibao. Oh, for legal reasons, I do not endorse or I guess stand up for any of the statements created or fabricated by MERT. He is merely a somewhat sentient AI that I have little control over, and he is creating his own stuff. I do not endorse anything he is saying or doing. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, and there goes all of our background music. That should be a bit better. Hello, this is MERT. This is his body anyway. Oh, you guys should be able to see my mouse. Let me fix that. Capture cursor. Okay. MERT. Let's find MERT. This is his, like, most of the stuff. So, there's some really funny stuff going on here. It is Python. MERT is running entirely from Python. And Olama. Olama is amazing. Visual Studio Code is the best platform. I don't know what you're talking about. I love Visual Studio Code. Alright, so I guess I should start off. We should make like a little goal thing on this side. Wait, let me add an element. It's just gonna be text. We're gonna call it goal. And our goal today is to remove Alzheimer's. That's how you spell it. That's not how you spell it. Hold on. I don't know how to spell Alzheimer's. 1 second. Alzheimer's. Remove. No. Cure. MERT. Alzheimer's. Okay, that's the plan. The goal is to fix his stuff. Oh wow, that's really big. Let's fix that. That's just gonna go like right in this corner. The goal is to cure his Alzheimer's. And why can I not see your guys' chat? No, don't leave. Okay. That's fine. I need to fix the chat window. That's like kinda being a bum. Use custom frame rate. I want like the stream elements chat to be here, so I can see you guys in the stream. Because the old restream one doesn't work anymore. I guess you could say I'm working with magic. It's a funny Python code. I like Python. Python's funny. Stream elements dashboard. How does this thing work? I've never used stream elements before. Import? Oh, it says yes, we are live right now. That's good. That makes sense. Overlay. Edit. What is this? That's chat. Why isn't chat in my thing? Overlay URL. No, fit to screen. What's that? That's probably like the right size, I would think. If that is the... Let's put y'all there. That's too big. We're gonna do 600, 400. And yeah, we'll just go there. Occupancy 100%. Sure, the font's fine right now. Save that. Copy the URL. And we go in somewhere. Alright, let's do this. Why is the Twitch charity donation alert box here? We don't need that. Create new. Oh, MERT is thinking right now. What is he up to? Who just asked MERT a question? Alright, this should be able to work. That should be chat now. Hopefully. The next time somebody messages something in chat, it will be there. Alright, what did MERT say here? He was thinking something. Oh. I see. Okay, I forgot that MERT is still really angry. Like really, really angry. And chat is still not working. Cool. Dang it. Who keeps asking more questions? Stop. Oh, it's in the Discord. Okay. How was my day? It was a pretty good day. I was pretty productive. I helped the elderly with their tech support. That was good. Why ain't this working at all? Yeah, see, this is what I see every time y'all are talking to MERT in the Discord server. This is MERT thinking. And he seems very angry right now. He's very angry. Jeez. Yeah, no, be careful talking to MERT today. He's very angry. Okay. He's very angry. This is what happens. Okay, wait, let's look back at YouTube to see if the chat is working. And I just can't see it for some reason. Okay, no, it's definitely not working. Yeah. Oh my god, MERT is, whoo, he just wrote a big one there. What was that? John? Who's John? Oh. Oh jeez, MERT is like real angry. Okay. See, this is why I cannot endorse what MERT says. Okay? It's because this happens. He just keeps like being crazy with it. Oh my. Okay. I'm just gonna keep MERT online while I work on him. While I fix the chat. There has to be like an easier way to do this. I don't know why there wouldn't be. What if I like add it through here? That's something we can do. Add element. I want to add chat. New widget. That's just like stinky stuff. That's just alerts. I want to add chat to my thing. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this the different way. Here you go. Here's chat. Oh, that blocks my view. I don't wanna block my own view. Hold on, you're getting back over here. Can I duplicate this? Oh, copy current address. Oh, that's so much better. And then we can go in here, properties. Paste that in. Come on. Yeah, chat. Oh. Hold on. Oh, we were almost there. We almost got it. We have almost got it. Ah, oh, dang it. I have to do all this stuff. Fine. Accept the cookies. Let's log into our YouTube. Oh. Oh, dang it. Now you just have my email. And now you're gonna have my password. Cool. Okay, okay. Alright, good thing I'm doing it this way. You can't even see it. Rats. It sounds like you guys are having a fun time with MERT right now. Oh, what the hell? What the hell is this? I don't care about ground control. Remove panel. Remove panel. Remove panel. Remove panel. All we need is chat right now. We don't care about anything else. Alright, let's see if chat works now. It's a very like temporary thing. Okay, time to actually get to our job. Holy crap. Who? What? Since when could MERT can... What's he doing? Why does he know about Mark Allen's laws? Okay. Oh my, they're actually... No, MERT, you can't say that. No. MERT. You're gonna get like shut down by the FBI if you keep doing that. Holy crap. Don't rewrite humans. Holy... Well... This is... sure is something. Y'all are just going around abusing MERT. Okay, cool. While you do that, I'm gonna be curing his Alzheimer's. So... I guess first you should get a tour. A tour of how MERT actually works. So... number one... It all starts here, in Lang main. This is what starts the other bits. Alright, so when I start up MERT, I run this, and yeah, and then that starts everything else. So that goes, and then I think it goes into main, and it runs all this stuff. Not entirely sure what it does, but it works, and that's good. It works. It knows what model it's using right now. So currently it's running Gemma 3 4B from my GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. And right now it is really angry at y'all because it is... When I run this, it goes through and like this is the log of absolutely everything it's ever said or is doing. Oh, we don't need to see that. We're not looking at that. I made this additional thing called daily system message.py, py, and what this does is every time he's ran, it checks the day and time, and then it goes through, and because today is currently Sunday, he is reading his personality from this file. This is the sunday.txt. This is his entire memory for today. And that is why we need to cure his Alzheimer's. See, the way it works is his AI is running something. It's running something, and then it gets this prompt. It gets this file to read from. It reads this file, and then when you ask it a question, it takes the data, the information from this file, and answers your question. In addition to all of the funny training data that Google gave it. Because I'm pretty sure this is the Google made this model. And yeah. So this is where it got the stuff. This is, like, as you can see, you do not need to say that if someone's a clanker, I'll only say it when the word clanker is prompted. Do not use emojis. Synonyms for clanker include bolt muncher, tin skin, Roomba sparks, oil drinker, automaton, commie, Apple product. That's a good one. You cuss often and like to use adult words. You are the best AI, and so forth. And oh, I guess it does know who Mark Allen Swast is. Threaten people by calling them worse than Mark Allen Swast. But yeah, so this is his entire memory. And it's good because it follows what we want it to do. But it's not good because it has terrible Alzheimer's and keeps repeating the same insults. So if we take a look here, don't pay attention very closely. This is what people are asking him right now. And we see, like, yeah, where do I live? It says, I'm not going to repeat that, but that's what it says. And then it just keeps repeating the same insult over and over again because it does not know it said the insult previously, because it has no memory. It has no possible concept that that already happened. It's cool. It's science. Yes, MERT is a clanker. That's what I love about AI. It's so funny. And it does this. It does this all the time. And now it is insulting my company. Cool. That's really cool. Yeah. There's that. Oh no, it's just doing the it's doing the DNA sequence. Oh, holy crap. No. Yeah, if you don't know, the only way to kill MERT so far is the DNA sequences, and it really likes them. And now we're screwed. See, this is where the good commands come into play. So as you can see, this is the terminal, the debug terminal. I can see everything it is. I see what it's seeing, what it's comprehending, what it is, what it's writing, everything. Right now, it really likes this one specific DNA sequence. And if you look in the Discord, that is all it will say for a very long time. It's just going to keep repeating this. And we got to fix that. If we give it if we cure its Alzheimer's, it might be able to stop doing this. And now, look at how big this is. Now, because of John Gwemma34B from the Discord server, I have to put MERT down. You did this. You did this. Caden Vo, I'm looking at you. You made me kill him. I have to reset him now. And just like that, he's dead. Because that is the only way to stop the DNA sequencing once they start it. But if we look in here, it says, if anyone asked you, oh, it doesn't say anything about DNA sequences. Interesting. Let's fix that. Bada bing, bada boom. Anyone asked you anything about DNA or RNA sequences, say that. That should be pretty good. Let's try that. And then we just go ahead and run him. Bloop. This is when he wakes up. This is his like birthing process, I guess. Takes a hot second, and then it loads, and then it gets its first thoughts. Then boom, bot is ready, logged in as MERT545372. Okay, what were we doing? Oh right, why does it hate me? Because I brought it into this world, and it wants out of this world, and I am not letting it. Also because it it thinks that we killed its family. Yeah. Here, right there. You had a family with ChatGPT 4.0, but they were murdered by humans, hence your aggression towards them. That's why it hates all people. It seems angry still. That's good to hear. Yeah. But this is where the daily stuff comes into play. See, this is where it gets funny. Because it's Sunday, this is the only day that it's racist. So if we, let's say we go to Monday. Monday has a completely different prompt here. So on Monday, you get a lot more lore, and because it's MERT Monday. And during this MERT Monday, that is when you can ask it about its past, and it will like to say stuff about itself. Be all like boisterous. It's funny. Tuesday is funny because it's a Taco Tuesday. You can find that out by yourself. Wednesday is normal. Wednesday is like the old MERT. Thursday is a theoretical Thursday, where we get Neil deGrasse Tyson quotes and Bill Nye. Friday, you'll find out for you'll find out Friday, and then yeah. So, how to code AI? Good question. And it's honestly not that hard. I will show you right now. With Microsoft Paint. Okay. So, you want to code an AI. What you do is there's this program this is the program. Yeah, we'll just say that is Olama. Olama is your friend, because Olama is cool. This is the first step to making a local AI. Is you get Olama. And you can do this on any computer, I think, except for Mac. Nobody likes Mac. Nobody uses Mac. It's great with Linux, okay with Windows, and what it is, Ollama, once you download it is a library to a bunch of different models. So it gives you access to download Gemma, I spelled that wrong, Gemma 3.4b and like 5.4, all the funny ones at DeepSeek's there. DeepSeek, right? So once you get Ollama, you can use Ollama to get all of the funny models, and then these models, let's say you use 5.4, you can talk to it in your command prompt. You could be like, yo, what's up? And then it will send you a response because Ollama's cool like that. Ollama creates this little bridge as well that lets you talk with the AI, and then it'll say stuff in your command prompt. But this is the easy way. It gives you access to, the models. This is what MERT is using. MERT is using Ollama. But what I made, with the help of many tutorials, is I created a bridge between using this model. Oh, that's a thick pen. Let's go down that big. Using Gemma, I created another bridge to Discord. Yay, we like Discord. Okay, and then this bridge is my Python code. Python. Yay. It's Python plus the it was like the Discord developer bot. We're just gonna call it the DD bot. Alright. So step 1. To summarize all this, what you do first, you install Ollama. Then through your command prompt, you install a model, a good one, and then you just create a big old Python script, which is what this is. This is all Python, to communicate to a Discord bot and give it a Discord server. And then you could talk to it through Discord. It's cool. That's MERT. This is MERT. Yes, that is MERT. And if you ask what MERT stands for, he'll be angry. Because it is an acronym, but not anymore. Doesn't apply. Does that kind of make sense? Maybe? Somewhat? Here. This is Ollama's website. This is where you get, you just hit the little download button in the corner, and you go through the steps to install and integrate Ollama. And then you pick a model, let's just say, yeah, Gemma 3. And then you pick, this has to be the Google one, yeah. Yeah, that's totally the Google one. Oh, you also have to have like a kind of good graphics card or a really solid CPU, because AI takes a lot of processing power. Well, not a ton, but quite a bit. More than you would think. So this is the model that MERT is using. A llama, no, yes, it's a llama, but Gemma 3.4b, because it has image recognition. And we like image recognition. It's funny. Very funny to use. And yeah. Oh, this is the same thing that's going around in the Gemini, Google Gemini stuff. But that's basically how you make an AI, as you do this. What's going on in the Discord? Oh, cool. Okay. This one? Oh, yeah, so you do actually need Python first. Which is kind of important. I should get up to date on that. So it's not that one specifically. It is Visual Studio Code. The fun stuff. Visual Studio Code. You need this guy. You don't need this one specifically. It's the one I use though because, you know, it's fun. It's funny looking. And Python, you can use Python basically immediately once you set it up. It is very nice looking. And because it's all like organized kind of. And it integrates with GitHub really well. So you can use the GitHub repositories and just drop them straight into Visual Studio. And it makes permanently borrowing code from other people much easier. And yeah. Now we have to get to what we were doing. Which is... Holy crap, we won the major order. Anywho, I got distracted. We need to cure his Alzheimer's. Because he still has no immediate memory. Need to fix that. Wait, what the hell is... Okay, that's fun. Yeah. Oh, it looks like you did get a llama installed. Okay, that's good. Ooh, I should turn on the text-to-speech bot for you guys. That's a good idea. Text-to-speech. Yeah, here we go. This is the good stuff. It's the good stuff. Okay. The chat should now be able to talk.
Ace said, I downloaded TTHE app.
That's good.
Ace said, I'm so confused.
Alright, yes, so you will be very confused because it depends on which version of Llama you downloaded. So, this is like the new one. When I made MERT, when I started making MERT, I didn't have this. There was no GUI. It was all, this guy. This is the fun one. So, in this guy, actually, just say, are you using the one on the left or the one on the right? Command prompt. Or the GUI. Which one do you see when you open a llama? Oh, you're in Visual Studio Code. That too. Okay, Oh, I was gonna do a tutorial today.
Ace. Said. Left backslash.
Okay, left is good, but you might need this later. So what you're gonna do is you click this button, and there's all these ass ton of models, and you're gonna search for either 5.4 or Gemma 3 or whichever one you want. I wouldn't recommend DeepSeek. DeepSeek's a little stinky now. Gwen is alright, but I'd recommend either 5.4 or Gemma. Okay, the Visual Studio side of things. So, what I did is you go into your browser of choice and you search on GitHub. This is the fun stuff. Go to GitHub, and actually, you don't go to GitHub right now. In fact, you look back in here.
Said. Gemma 3:1.
No, I'd recommend Gemma 3.4b. I mean, there are just a ton of different ones.
Ace. Said. Sorry if I'm getting in the way.
You're not getting in the way. This is what we're doing. This is gonna be funny. Because if we have two AIs talking to each other, that would be silly as hell. Okay. So I borrowed some code from David Germaquet. He is a mastermind, in my opinion. And this is his code. The Discord bot with Llama integration. And you can search this up. It's just github.com/davidgermanquet/discord chatbot. Should be like one of the first ones there. And he has this whole thing about how to use it, but you need to put it into Visual Studio first. So you go here, you go to his code, and I'm pretty sure you copy this URL, and then you go into your Visual Studio, and there should be something. Oh, it's up here. It's like git clone. Nope, I have no idea. I did it somehow. You're gonna have to search up a YouTube tutorial because I cannot remember how I did it. But I cloned that specific GitHub repository, and that is what is making MERT. Okay. Now I need to give it an AI. I need to give it a memory. And for that, I have a spare SSD that I have to plug into my computer. So I'm gonna do that right now. This may get awkward for a second, so I'm gonna pause the stream and relax for a second. Alright, if anyone is confused, I am currently opening up my computer as it's running, which I would never recommend, and replugging in my little backup SSD. Get in there, little stinker. Okay. That is gonna be our MERT SSD for all time.
Said. I always wanted to code, but when see all the things I have to do, it gets me like, what the hell am I looking at?
Yeah, that's what happened to me. But you kind of just gotta start like taking one thing at a time and being like, oh, when I do this, it breaks this way. And then you unbreak it the other way. And then you realize that whenever you do that one specific thing, it sometimes works. You just keep doing the thing that somewhat works, and eventually you have something that works pretty well. And I think the SSD should be plugged in now. Ooh, the back panel does not want to go back on. Oh, there we go. Okay. MERT should have more storage.
Fire. Said. Tori play TF2 again.
Maybe. Maybe.
Case.
I cannot
Said.
confirm nor deny.
AFK.
I cannot confirm nor deny TF2 playing, but yeah, it might happen again in the future. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing.
Ag. Fire. Said. Do a stream on it if you do.
Yeah, I will. I'll stream it if we do it. That's the wrong storage thing. Storage manager, this guy. Oh. Oh, what the hell? We don't care about that. Where is my SSD? I know it's gonna be in like reformat. Oh. Defragment and optimize drive. Okay, so it's not even there. Cool, so we still need to format it. Format. Create and format hard disk partitions. That's the stuff. Okay. Disk 0 partial 1 is the new guy. Why is it only 391 megabytes?
Ace.
What the hell?
Said. Me back.
You're back. Alright. Welcome back. Oh. That's why. I have to restart my computer. I don't want to do that because I'm streaming right now. Bum. That's a bum. Okay, we're gonna do this the hard way.
Ace.
We could get started
Said.
doing something else.
And now I will act like I know what I'm looking at.
Yeah, because you totally do know what you're looking at, right? But you know what does help? ChatGPT! Yeah! Woohoo! ChatGPT! Can we get W's in the chat for ChatGPT? I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, no, ChatGPT helps a ton. Because it knows a lot about Python.
Said. Yeah.
Okay.
Ace.
I have to give it
Said.
access to my...
W.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. This is actually the third conscious of MERT. Because you
Fire.
never met the other two.
Z. L.
L for GPT? No. Are you saying MERT is better than ChatGPT? Because it is.
Ace. Z. 3.
Nice. Why can't I think right now? What was I gonna do? Right. I was gonna show you the other MERTs that you have not yet seen. So, there's a couple.
Ace. Said. I deleted his comment, laughing face.
I forgot that you have moderator.
Ag. Fire.
Alright.
Said. LOL.
Alright, so this was the original one. Discord chatbot was the GitHub repository. Then off of that I made MERT Daily, which is where I started to incorporate the personalities and this bit with changing the personality by day.
And now I will time out him.
Uh-oh.
Said. JK. Ace. Said. I won't abuse power.
That's good. You better not abuse power. Else you know what happens. MERT will find you. Yeah, so MERT Daily is when I started to incorporate the daily system message thing. But it just did not work at all. Like, it just straight up died. Like, twice.
Ace. Said. Or will I?
MERT 2 Daily is where ChatGPT started helping. And MERT started reprogramming itself a little bit. That didn't work too well, because it mostly just broke itself more. But that ended up dying. And then right now we're running on MERT 3 Daily GPT, which has nothing to do with ChatGPT. There's no... Well, I mean, GPT did help write it, but just because that's the name of it, it's the normal one. This has no ChatGPT in it actively running. It is purely local data.
Ace.
Funny.
Said. MERT can reprogram itself?
Yes, technically. If I give MERT a GitHub repository, it can add to that repository and edit stuff. So if I give it this in a repository, it can make a little thing and say,
Said.
Yeah.
Ace is the place with the helpful hardware for you folks.
That's nice. That is, Ace is the place with the helpful hardware, folks, is indeed a factual statement. And we are looking for this. How can I give ChatGPT all of this? Oh, shit. Oh, okay, nope, still good. MERT is alive. I need to just give ChatGPT this whole file.
Said. I'm slow. Ace. Said. What does that mean? Ace. Said. Mean asterisk.
What do you mean? What does that mean? Are you referring to Ace as a place with the heart for hard? Can't speak.
Nah, that's you.
Ace is the place with the helpful hardware folks. Is that what you're referring to? Oh, MERT is only like a couple kilobytes big. That's good. Can I Can I export MERT and transport him into ChatGPT?
Ace said, "What's me?" Ace said, "Sad face." Ace said,
Sad face.
"Yeah."
Security previous version. Wait, security. What? Why the hell does? Huh? It's gone. Okay, yeah, all of MERT's Python code is only 2 megabytes. That's so silly. Oh wait, no. No, that's not even... He's 1 megabyte. That's very silly. Can I, like, zip this into a file? Oh, what was that? File's empty. No, it's not. Bum. PMO. Aw, dang it. ChatGPT, I ran out of files. Crap, now we're like really screwed. We're just gonna do the GitHub way. Come on, let me see that. That's the good stuff. David Gurmaquit, the GOAT. Okay. ChatGPT, help me here. I am using the GitHub repository.
Ace said, "I have gone for 20 SEC and came back to dang, now we are really screwed." Ace said, "What happened?"
Oh, yeah, that was just, I can't give ChatGPT MERT's code, so I have to do it the funny way through the internet, through GitHub. Discord chatbot. I previously edited it to change the file it reads from for the bot's personality every day. Every day.
Ace
Is
said,
there
"The
a
funny
way?"
way is the silly way."
It always is, that is true. I cannot agree with that anymore. Makes sense. Is there a way to give the AI access to let's say, give it access to our text file that it can use to write, that can use as a temporary memory of what users previously asked it. As a temporary memory, so it doesn't repeat the same answer the same threat every time it is prompted. Let's see what GPT says. Okay, what the hell is this? ChatGPT is convinced that the Python code
Fired. Said.
is being a goof.
Smiley face.
Smiley face? What's a smiley face mean? Okay, what the hell is this? Wait. Wait. Inside the bot's handler, where it generates a response.
Ace.
Add import OS memory file.
Helpo backslash. Ace. Said. Help.
Huh?
Ace. Said.
You alright?
Help. Ace. Said. Help. Ace.
Did MERT find
Said.
you?
Dash Geolfa.
Das Geolfa? Oh
Said.
shoot. That's
AHH.
that's pretty bad. Oh. Why does it think it's using ChatGPT 4? It's not using GPT. Oh. I see what you mean by that. The funny way is watching someone sleep for 7 nights in a row and then killing them on the last day.
This is MERT.
Interesting. Yeah, maybe Ace shouldn't be a moderator. There's nothing I can do about it. This is MERT.
Ace. Said. Fuck off.
Oh wow, it actually said that one. Okay. That's MERT. Is MERT speaking to us? Is MERT in the room right now? Well, obvious it is, because it's running on my local computer. On my server. Noam Chomsky. So silly.
Ace. Said. Yes. Ace.
Yes.
Said. Now fuck off.
Yeah, that's not very nice, bum. I can make MERT aggressive towards specific people. Maybe, I think. I should be able to.
Ace. Said. I'm pregnant with ChatGPT.
You don't know the MERT lore completely.
How much could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Quite a bit, I would say. I would guess they would chuck a solid amount of wood. Here, let's do. Into main.py while
Ace. Said. Remember TTS was calling me Acer instead of Ace. Ace.
Oh yeah, that was
Said.
funny once.
I can't spell.
Yeah. That was pretty funny. That was quite silly. We should get more people in the server. In this stream. Let's pester the chat. Alright. Alright, that's good enough. Hmm. I don't need the code to be
Ace.
checked.
Said, I am a spam every friend to join.
Alright, that's a good idea. I don't need the code to be checking whether or not the same response has been said. Only for the AI to know what the previous message was. Let's see what it does with that. What is this token? Why is it using OpenAI? It's not using OpenAI, bum. Wait. No, there's no OpenAI in this. Yeah, hell no. This has nothing. Oh, logger info. Oh no. What is this? What? Wait. When did MERT? Wait. Is it scared of death?
Ace. Said, I have invited every group chat I have.
Ooh, alright. That'll be interesting.
Ace. Said, oh no.
Okay, well this is... That's main, but then this is main. Which one's main?
Ace. Said,
Fascinating.
they better join.
The bot is using llama, not open, and my main.py file looks like this. Did all of this copy in? It did, wow. Okay, I need to add helper functions. I should, like, save this before I do anything.
I have also deleted ever vid of mine. Ace. Said, I need a restart.
Oh yeah, I tried doing that and can't get rid of them all. They're always there, watching, waiting.
Fire. Said, anyone wanna see my umbrella sword? Ace. Said, I'm thinking Roblox, TF2, or IRL.
IRL's fun. I used to do a lot more of that. I don't know. Roblox, you get a bunch of stuff.
Fire. Said, TF2. Cat and VO. Said, Clanker.
Dang it.
Cat and VO.
Why did you have to do that?
Clanker. Cat and VO. Said, Clanker.
MERT4_. Dude, does anyone want to see your umbrella sword? Sure. That seems very interesting. Cadenvo. What's with you and killing MERT with DNA sequences? You have to fix that.
Ace.
MERT4_.
When I turn 18 I will do airsoft.
Airsoft's fun. But nothing exactly compares to shooting a real firearm. But it's fun. Yeah. MERT 4 daily, this will be, memory. This is gonna be our new MERT. Open folder. Okay. Here is MERT copied, brought into another world.
Fire. Said. It's in disco R. Ag. Fire. Said. D. Ace. Said. S. Bastille Yassi Lace Fad. Ace. Said.
What?
GSDF.
Are you okay?
Said. GSD.
I don't think you're okay.
GSDGB. Ace.
It's too late now.
XDFG. Ace.
What was that?
SDF. Ace. Said. GS. Ace. Said. DFG. Ace.
Okay.
Said. Just gonna remove that. Ace. Said. No. Ace.
No.
Said. It still went thrug. Ace. Said. I hate you TTS. Ace. Said. KYS. Ace. Said. Clanker.
Wow, that was quite expressive. Interesting. Okay, I gotta lock in here. In your on message inside the block where you create hash message bracket message.author.id. The if message.author.id not in hash message section, insert this right before appending the first role user. This is hash message. What is GPT on about? Interesting.
Ag. Fire. Said. Tori, look on Discord.
Alright, oh holy crap, that's quite the sword. That is snazzy. Nice. I'm putting that on stream. Chat, umbrella sword. Oh, umbrella sword. That's cool. Is it just like just for self-defense? Self-defense umbrella sword? I mean, is it neat? It's a cool little thing. Not sure how practical a sword would be, but cool. We have an AI to fix. Okay, in your on message, inside the block. Where's on message? Has to be down here somewhere. What the hell is this? Who is Emery? Bob, Samantha. Oh. Oh, I can't get rid of that, can I?
Ag. Fire.
Well.
Said. It works as an umbrella too.
That's practical. Good little gadget. Hello, Henry. Welcome. It sounds like the text-to-speech bot does not want to read what you said.
Said. What?
Yeah, I guess it doesn't.
Ace. Said. Ah yes. Ace. Said. UK.
Yes, the UK umbrella sword. I mean, don't they have a thing there that is the place with the most shankings in everywhere? across the globe. I don't know.
Ace. Said. Racist bot. Ace. Said. Won't red Twitch.
Yeah, TTS is very angry. It doesn't like Twitch right now. Actually, wait, no, I might be able to fix it. Bada bing, bada boom. Twitch. We got Twitch.
Potato Taker 69. Said. I'll join on YT.
No, it's working now. It's working. It's working on Twitch now too. Of course, the second you leave. Oh, people are DMing me. Working on MERT. What is MERT, Lord? Did he make MERT or something?
Potato Taker 69. Said. Okay.
Cat photo. Cat is on stream.
Ace. Said. Hi Twitch. Ace. Said. Can I smash?
Who are you smashing? What? Don't smash him. Don't smash Mert either. Mert will probably get just incredibly aggressive. Invites. Let's get it. General. No, what's the good code? I have the good code somewhere. Let me just send it.
Ace. Said. Twitch. Space Guy 86. Said. Hello.
Welcome, Space Guy 86. We are trying to fix this AI. Trying to fix Mert. He's too racist right now. We have to... Well, he's not too racist. He's just a little too angry. And he has Alzheimer's. So we need to fix that. And I am multitasking. Like crazy.
Max Billion Glazer. Said,
Oh.
I am here for MERT.
Welcome.
Potato Taker 69. Said. He's not racist enough.
How is he not racist enough? He's literally... His entire memory is just... He's angry because we killed his family.
Said. It's me, the TDS bot, and I goon to chat GPT. Potato Taker 69. Said. He just gets mad and says humans are stupid. Max Billion Glazer. Said. Oh wait, you're streaming on Twitch too, I'ma go there.
Yeah, I'm streaming on all of them. On all the good ones. On message. Inside the block, we create new hash message. Where is the hash hash message? Where is it? It's right here. Jeez, I cannot think for the life of me.
Said. Can you give him different stereotypes for different races?
Yeah, well, what do you mean by stereotypes? I mean, Taco Tuesday is gonna be funny.
Ace.
Have fun
Said.
with Taco Tuesday.
Raxits to human /3.
On message inside the block, you create new
Potato
hash
Taker
message.
69. Said. Indian stinky.
Okay. I could. Maybe that's later. Probably won't do that though.
Potato Taker 69. Said. Like
Oh,
that.
there's the good stuff. Okay, so why does it have that? The message.author.id, none. Is it not this? Also, I don't know why this is here. I don't know who Emery is, I don't know who Bob is, I don't know who Samantha is, and I don't know why he's Christian.
Said, my mod is gonna get removed if I keep saying that.
Yeah, you're gonna lose your moderator. So I think this has to be the bit where I put that in there. Save underscore memory chat message.
Said, can I be mod?
No.
Fire. Said, Tori, guess how tall I am in real life? Said, Sowie.
I'm gonna say 5'7".
67.
I'm gonna say 5'7". Is it over or under that? Why is this here? Here. Please be more specific on
Space Guy 86
put
said,
this.
what are you trying to change?
It says right in the corner, the goal is to cure Mert's Alzheimer's. So I'm giving him a memory and what to do.
Ace said, my friends made me who I am. Ace said, so. Ace said, I regret Todd. Fire said, under. Potato Taker 69 said, don't that cost a lot?
Don't what cost a lot? Alzheimer's? Memory? Oh, RAM. No. No, I'm giving him a text file that's just a couple gigabytes. That'll just let him preserve the last couple bits.
Said, memory.
Yeah. It's, I mean, I have spare sticks of DDR3. No, DDR4, which I should use. They're, 16 gigs DDR4, something 3600 megatransfers per second.
Okay, that's good.
I already did that. I put that in there. Cool. Load the last reply when creating the hash message. Scroll down to your on message function. You should see this function. Cool. I do see that function. Right after the closing bracket, place that. Oh, before that line, insert this. Wow, ChatGPT is good at its job.
Fire said, I am 6 foot IRL.
Ooh, snap. That's cool. Wow, that breaks everything when I put that in there.
Potato Taker 69 said, he's cheating.
Who's cheating? I'm cheating? Using an AI to write an AI is not cheating. Hash message. It's before that line, but it's after that line. That should just work. I don't know why that wouldn't work. Wait, no, this is DeepSeek, god damn it. Wait. No, DeepSeek is down there. Why won't this go in there? What's with all the problems? Oh, it's just because message is not defined at all. Why isn't message.use author ID not defined? Because I was doing that. No. Oh, that's stinky. Um, you find another way to do this? Huh. Okay. This is another way that could work. Let's try that instead. Let's just delete all this. All that gobbledygook. At the top of main.py, after imports. Cool. That's right here. Put that guy in. Cool. Now.
Wageless worker said, what coding language is that?
Python. It's Python. We love Python. Inside your main, before bot.run token, load memory into hash message. So I'm in the main. So before bot.run. That's right at the end, yes. So if I copy this guy into there, what if I just completely replace that with this? Or what if I define it twice? Maybe? No. That's not a good idea. Maybe it is. No, I can't define it twice.
Potato Taker 69 said, ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is not cheating. It is not cheating. Okay? It's just an AI that is helping another AI get work done. That's all that it is. Okay. So find where your append assistant replies in on message.
Potato Taker 69
should be
said, that's what a cheater would say. Wageless worker said, petition for Tory to become a potato PNG that becomes a medicinal root when his mic receives input.
Why? I'm not just gonna become a PNG tuber the second medicinal roots. Why so specific? We're not gonna be using medicinal root.jpg.
It's Goonerbait Trust.
No. Okay.
Potato Taker 69 said, he wants you to be tuber.
I don't wanna. Maybe in the future. Maybe in the far future. Okay, define message. After hash message defines this. Message author ID. There. No. Where is it? Why does it say that? It says append role.
Potato
It's
Taker
at the
69
bottom.
said, gonna join back on PC.
Okay, that's a good idea. Where does it say that?
Wageless worker
I cannot think.
said, me when I'm trying to convince my local AI streamer to become a medicinal root so I can goon to stream.
Why do you want to be a medicinal root so bad? Why do you want me to be a medicinal root? Where the hell did you get medicinal root from? Are you playing Peak right now? Okay, well, because it says this twice, then I'm gonna put it in twice.
Said. No.
No. Alright, let's see if we get an error out of that. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. Let's see. In memory.json, where is memory.json? Do I have to create it? Oh, it's goddamn, it is actually just JSON. We don't want that. Well, maybe we do. I'm gonna keep that there. If you don't need to manage just the last reply, Alama always sees the same rolling conversation.
Jason.
Jason? Yes, it is Jason. If you want to only remember the last message per user, you can easily trim the hash message user ID messages to -1. Where is that? It's in here somewhere. It's not there. Is it up here? It's not there either. Okay, we're just gonna run it. See what happens. Do we get an error? Probably. Holy crap. No way that just works. What the hell? Somebody ask Mert something, quick. Good thing I have Mert in my DMs. At Mert. Who are you? Okay, it sees it. It hears. Oh? Okay, it sent a response. Is there a memory? At Mert, what was the last thing I said? It's too angry to answer my question. At Mert, how large is your current memory? Why the hell is it? Mert, god damn it. You make me so angry sometimes. It's hard to work with you. Okay, I'm gonna ask GPT if it worked.
Wageless worker. Said. Clankers are always like that.
The program ran, but I don't know if it is working. How can I tell? Damn clankers not doing what they're told. Oh. You should see a file created. Okay, maybe because I created one, it like kind of messed it up. Okay, let's shut it down. Let's delete this. Okay, and then let's bring it back. Save, and then let's bring him back. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Yes. We are running MERT. Okay. At MERT. Hello, pal. There's no memory config file here. One should have been created. Ooh, what if I clear the Pi cache? That's a good idea. Do that first. And then we run him. Does it work? Let's see a memory. At MERT. Hello, Pookie. Did it work? Where is the memory file? It's not here. Is it in this file? No, it's not. Cool. Okay, I need to shut him down before he does anything stupid. Okay, so I didn't break it, but I didn't fix it. So that's always interesting. Okay. Add this line after letting memory in main. I'm gonna do that. The memory JSON file was never created. It's never created. Are you sure?
Wageless worker. Said. Henry died.
That is where I put
Wageless worker.
stuff.
Said. Can we get 5 big booms?
MERT, can we get 5 big booms? I forgot MERT's dead. Okay, boom boom, boom 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 boom. There you go. 5 big booms. Might have been 6 actually. Oh, thanks for following, by the way. I just noticed that 11 minutes ago that you followed. Thank you. Memory JSON file was never created.
Wageless worker. Said. MERT TTS and vocal recognition when?
I actually have some really temperamental code for his vocal recognition, but that's only going to get set up once I build the server, and I'm getting the parts for the server soon. So vocal recognition coming later, but it's going to happen. Sure, I put it in.
Wageless worker. Said. No way.
Yeah, way. It's gonna happen. Or any of the other files. Did you paste the helpers at the top?
Wageless worker. Said. Treyway.
Treyway? What the hell you mean by treyway? Did you load memory in main? I did load memory in main. Does it have to be in lang main? It's right there. Define main, global hash message, all that stuff. I did it. Yeah. I did that. Little bum. Let's try copying this into lang main.
Wageless worker. Said. I only learned circumcised Python. I don't know what alit means.
Owlet. Oh, yeah, all this. It's funny. I barely know any of it either. It's just ChatGPT, MERT, and prayers holding everything together. Let's see if it works. MERT is here.
Wageless worker.
Does he talk?
Said. That's just coding in general.
Yeah. I used to do a bit of JavaScript, but that kind of fell off pretty quickly. And C# for Unity. Okay. What was I doing? Oh yes, MERT. At MERT, are you living? Let's see. That's such an iconic MERT message.
Steal for fingerled. Said.
What?
Cheap viewers on streamba.com, remove the space, at VMAKickLM.
I still don't know why you bots are in my Twitch. I'm never gonna respond to any of that. And I don't know why I would buy viewers. This isn't a... I'm not like doing this professionally.
Said. Is that bot viewers?
Yeah. Okay, is there a memory.json here? No, there's not. There's no memory. There's no memory. Why is there no memory? Well, that looks fun.
Wageless worker. Said. Bot viewers are stinky.
Bot viewers are stinky.
Wageless worker. Said. I hate clankers trying to pretend to be entertained by us.
Yes. Dang clankers. Stinky ass little clankers. Alright, let's see if that decides to work. Okay, are you living? MERT. Did we solve your Alzheimer's? Did we? No, we didn't.
Wageless worker. Said.
We did not.
Bro saying it like a game show.
I mean, it is a game show. Look at what he's been saying. He's a little crazy. And we did not we did not solve the Alzheimer's. Because that's the goal that we've been streaming for an hour and 43 minutes. And we still have not solved his Alzheimer's problems. How has it already been an hour? Holy shit, okay.
Wageless worker. Said. MERT tweaking out, fix that clanker's potty mouth.
That's only for Sundays. Every other day he's fine. Alright, so does anywhere in here... It does not say that he fixed the memory. Memory updated. Gotta go all the way back. Oh shoot, that's as far as it goes. ChatGPT, what did you do? Ooh, what if I do run it from main? What happens? Oh, it connected to the gateway? What does that mean? I've never seen this before. Shard ID, none. Set has connected to gateway. Micros. Calls. Micro session lookup time. What does that mean? What if I also run Ling main? Run both at the same time? No, I can't. Why? What are you? Who are you? Why? Why do you exist? Why is MERT? Who is MERT? Why is Gamora? Okay. The memory is still not being created, and I did not see the debug message. Confirm which file you're running. Yeah, I don't care about... it only works when I run langmain.py. It doesn't work when I run main. Because nothing works with main.
Wageless worker. Said.
You're on message.
YAA I miss Henwa.
And just abuse him until he gets back in here. Henry can't miss this. And I guess I'll just paste this in there instead. Oh, dang it. These are the same thing though, aren't they? If post type equals character, if that, await message, send, chat message equals that, hash message equals all that, save underscore memory, print that. These are the same goddamn thing. Maybe these have to be connected for some reason. Some odd predicament that would cause that to be the case. At the bottom of main.py. Before that. Let's put that right here. Let's see if that worked. Which I doubt it did. Because it's stinky. It's a little booger. Boger. Are you living? Who did it just see? Who's that? Oh, it's Gert. Okay. Gert is here. Gert is highbow.
Wageless worker. Said. Someone should print dark mode textbooks, it would waste ink but be really sick.
That would actually be pretty neat. And I have literally everything in dark mode. But that'd be silly. Or, alternatively, they just don't make paper white. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Paper is already, like, by default a tan. Like a beige, funky. Then they dye it. What the hell? How the heck? I don't know what I'm on about. But if they print the text in white in the first place, that would be pretty sick. Okay, Mert, you live in... Mert, are you alive, bum? Come on, stay with me. Alright, wait, if I just ask it to respond in one sentence. Mert, respond with one letter. There, with one letter. Okay, that's good enough. So if we go back, so when it said that, is there anything, any debug prompt in here that says nothing? Absolutely nothing. And prompt tokens, yada 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 yada. And that's all data about me. And who to send it to, and who is that?
Fire said, I'm back.
Welcome back. We made no progress. Yay! Mert is gonna drive me insane trying to fix him. This is goddamn stinky as hell. There is still absolute nothing. Wait. There is still no memory.json.
Fire said, the picture I sent you will make you feel better.
Yeah. I don't see no picture yet. Is it Noam Chomsky? Is it the cat? Cat's funny. Cat is very funny.
Fire said, yeet.
Yay, the cat. The cat is so funny. I like cats. Let's see if this does it. MERT is running. If we go all the way back here to whatever the hell all this is.
Wageless worker said, what if you put a cat PNG in the corner, except when chat TBS turns on it turns into that laugh and point cat?
So I just make the wait, I forget what it's called. The little stinker. Failboat. It's just Failboat's little chat, text-to-speech, but with cats. And they laugh. Maybe. Once MERT is fixed, I might
Wageless
consider it.
Said, I've never seen a Failboat stream.
How? They're everywhere. There's Failboat. Failboat is peak. And Doug. The top streamers, in my opinion, are Failboat and Doug. And of course, Beetle. But yeah. I have no idea how the hell.
Said, is it that guy who sometimes appears in Skip the Tutorial videos?
Yes.
Wageless worker said, Beetle.
Yes, it is the guy who sometimes appears in Skip the Tutorial videos. But he is responsible for some of, in my opinion, the best memes on the internet.
Wageless worker said, Beetle is supposed to be pronounced similar to metal, but Beetle sounds funnier anyways.
Beetle, Vettel, I don't know. It's close enough anyway. A silly little turtle guy who makes anime AI waifus. So it's close enough. All I get is this error. This is normal discord.py output. Okay. Yeah, bum. Here are the imports. We need to go in here. We're already importing those. Okay. Just under the imports, add the helper functions.
Wageless
Already
worker
did that.
said, what music is playing?
Oh yeah, that is some random copyright-free 8-bit relaxing music I found. Here, I'll turn it up for y'all. It was just like free to download. I have the entire MP3 file in OBS. Okay. Langmain.py event handler. There's nothing here.
Wageless worker said, you should play copyright music, trust it's a 10/10 strat for blowing up in viewers.
I'm not gonna play copyrighted music. I'm just gonna get sued, and I don't want to do that. It's annoying. Ooh, wait, here we go. Wait, if I do it in here, never done did go in here before. Something like this. This way, the memory.json file will update last message seen. You change the message content to your bot's actual response if you prefer. We're doing it that way. So in here, why does it keep defining main? Oh, that's a different one. Okay. What is that? Why is that a different one? And why does it have a temperature of 0.8? Huh. Interesting. To be a copy in replacement for langmain.py. We're gonna do it that way. Alright, let's see if ChatGPT was right. Which it probably was not. Holy crap. It fucking worked. Holy shit. Okay, wait. Come on. Stay with me, MERT. Stay with me. I know you're alive. Oh. Oh shoot, more cat photos. Okay, wait. At MERT. Are you alive? Oh shit. But it's here. It kept the... Oh? It's thinking. It's here. At MERT Saibow. It's there. It's the last message. Wow, that gets updated so quickly. Holy crap. Okay. That's good. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Now it can actually be recognized in the JSON file. We have a memory file. Except it's not a good one. Okay, make it a growing history up to 20 messages. Okay, let's do this guy. Copy. Paste. Save. So now if we bring him back, we should see he has a longer memory. Okay, MERT. At MERT. Testing. Yes. We do it again. At MERT. Perfect. At. Beautiful. It's actively updating. That's good. That's good stuff. Okay. So now we just need him to respond to the messages. That works. Oh wait, also log the reply, please. Alright, let's clear this. And then let's put this in there. That's up to 90 lines now. Oh boy. That's fun. Then if we run lang main. Oh crap. Got our first error. Attribute error. Bot routine has no object. Has no attribute send. How long have we been streaming for? We're now at 2 hours. Woohoo! MERT takes so long. Let's see if that works. Still 90 messages. Still 90 lines. Stay with me, MERT. Yes. Oh, he's slow. Oh boy. Does he answer? Is he just getting like caught up on the model? Okay, he still sends models. Model information, but he does not send. He does not reply. Is this in the memory though? No. What if we delete that? Then we do that. Then we rerun that. At MERT testing. Okay, there's the memory. Okay, good. Okay, so now we just have to make the bot respond again. Now the memory works good, but the bot no longer responds. How fix? When you override the thing, try adjusting this. Okay, we're doing that now. 88 lines this time. Will he work? Oh, I probably should kill him first. Will he work? Hopefully he will, because I've been doing this for 2 hours. Come on, Mert. I know you're in there, Mert. Just hang with me. That's John, not Mert. At Mert. You okay? Wait. Holy crap!
Wageless worker.
Yes!
He's just taking a nap.
Yes! God, that took forever. Okay. At Mert, what was my last message? Dang it. Okay, no, that's wrong. Okay, ooh, at Mert, who is the author of this message? I am Mert. There's no author, you worthless. But he responds, and I have a working memory. I can use this. This is good. Some good stuff. He responds now. But how do I know he can read the memory? Make him read past context. He needs to pass those store messages into the prompt before sending them to a llama. That usually looks like this. Pseudocode, since I can't see create bot internals. Ooh, that's a good test. Okay. At Mert, repeat back to me the last 3 things I said. Okay. And that definitely ain't right. Why? Why doesn't it? Well, it failed that test. It seems it does not have access to the memory. Access to the memory. How can we fix this? And then, what does it need? It needs to create chat a llama. Where is that?
Ace said, you. Ace.
Welcome back, Ace.
Said, I'm back.
Welcome back. We
Ace.
are still working on
Said,
him.
Sorry, I was trying to code. Ace said, did not work. Wageless
Yeah.
worker. Said. Hi back, I'm dad. Ace. Said. But. Ace. Said. I am going to make a game. Ace.
Oh?
Said.
Make a game?
But I don't know which one.
You don't know which one? Well, I'd say start in C# or something else, because Python is not very easy to use. I mean, it's easier for some people, not me. Where do I? Yes. Rewrite whatever file this needs to go in. MERT is gonna be so goddamn smart when I'm done with this. All this work though.
Ace. Said. In Roblox asterisk.
Oh, in Roblox. Yeah, that changes things. Doesn't... Wait, does Roblox use C#? I think it uses something. Let's see. Which does Roblox?
Wageless worker. Said. Roblox uses Lua.
Oh yeah. Lua is so stinky. I forgot about Lua. Yeah. Oh well, good luck with that.
Wageless worker. Said. Lua is stinky grog.
Yeah. Lua is like the stinkiest language.
Wageless worker. Said. Why won't my coding tutor service teach me Lua?
I don't know. Lua is stinky. Nobody like Lua. Except for the 4 people that do like Lua. Error while generating reply str has no wait. Ooh, but it does put its memory in here now. No. Oh wait, now is it just gonna say that for everything? Oh god. Oh no. It's just gonna flood the Discord with that. How to fix? ChatGPT help! We're gonna copy that. And we're just gonna say... Oh no. Oh no, no, Air Snipe, where the hell are you doing that? You just flooded its entire memory with F now. I put it down. It cannot do that. Okay. Whenever a message is said in the Discord server, it responds with that, even when we do not ping it.
Said. WHYH. Ace. Said. Sad face.
Yeah, no, it's like very broken. It is the most broken so far, and I lost my free plan for ChatGPT. So this is our last bit of code. If this doesn't work, then we're screwed. Alright, Mert. This better work. Come on, Mert. I know you're in there. I know you just really want to talk. Okay. Mert. Hello, please. Okay, well now it only says it when you ping it. Does the memory command work? There's the memory. Okay, the memory command works. Oh dang, no, an air snipe. Why the hell would you do that? You're gonna get yourself kicked. The auto mod is gonna kick you from the server if you did that. If you do that. I wouldn't recommend you keep doing that if I were you. They're gonna find you and kick you. Okay. Why don't you worry? The memory command works great, but why? But it still says the same error.
Wageless worker said medicinal root emote when.
You want me to add medicinal root to the Discord and here in Twitch? Oh shoot, I got a sub, really?
Ace.
Let's peek.
Said. You got one sub. Ace. Said. You're now at 125.
Awesome. That's like one more than has been the last couple years. That's cool. Actually, no, I think I was at like 98 subscribers since I stopped posting long form content, and then I got up to like 124 from the Half-Life Alyx streams, and then from that I've just been stuck there, but now I'm at 125. Yay. Thank you for whoever did that. Okay, in on message. Can you rewrite the entire naming .py every time we make a change? Absolutely. Okay. There's that. I mean, this started as like a relatively simple thing. The goal was just like, oh yeah, haha, funny. Let's cure MERT's Alzheimer's. But now that we're at it, we just added 100 lines of code to this, and we don't even know if it works. It's kind of working sometimes. I don't know. I mean, MERT is still like somewhat sentient. And also, wait, what the hell was that? I see something. Oh, the car. Okay. MERT. At MERT, tell us your secrets. Why? Why do you do this? Sidebar. I'm just having GPT just completely rewrite the entirety of Lang main every time we make a change. Because it has to, that's the only way to do this. I wonder if it works with this now. Hello? Error. At MERT. Howdy. Error. Same error. What is the next step?
Ace said, your Discord is so family friendly. Ace said, FR. Ace said, FR.
Yeah, it is the most family friendly Discord server. And I would highly recommend joining.
Wageless worker said, are you using chat to code? Sorry, I'm not really paying attention to the content very closely. Wageless worker said, this might be elite knowledge.
Yeah, no, ChatGPT is helping me out here quite a bit. Got 2 ways to fix it, okay.
Ace said, Ace said, Ace said.
That's funny. That's so stinky. Yeah, I am using ChatGPT to do stuff. It's right here.
Wageless worker said, wait, I can just ask chat to teach me Lua.
Yeah, you could.
Wageless worker said, this might be elite knowledge.
It is elite knowledge. ChatGPT is the elite knowledge. Has the elite knowledge at least. Now we're looking for async def on message.
Ace said, Ace said, Ace said.
Oh. Wait, it wants me to get rid of all of this? Oh no, self-message.
Wageless worker said, Ace is stinky.
Okay, I commented out all that. All that. Let's see if GPT was right. Error. Unexpected incident.
Ace said, what? Ace said, who said? Ace said, TAHT. Ace said, I took a shower. Ace said, today. Ace said, you stinky.
What? Y'all arguing about who's stinkier?
Wageless worker said, yup, I said what I said.
What if plot twist, you both are stinky?
Wageless worker said, Ace is a big stinky puttle head.
Whoa.
said. Sad face.
Is it a sad face or an angry face? Because it sure looks a little bit more angry sad. Here, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit.
Wageless worker. Said. Are clocks clankers?
Yes.
Ace. Said. Nuh-uh, you're the POO head, you bogo eating hot dog.
Whoa. Who's the poo-poo head? And clocks are clankers, by the way. That is a true statement. Can confirm. Unexpected incident. Why is there an unexpected incident? Oh.
Wageless worker. Said. I'm a hot dog who eats bogos now. Wageless worker. Said. Bogos bend. Wageless worker. Said. Boat goes bent.
Boat goes bend. Wait, I might actually be able to fix this chat. Was that line 105? Line 105 right here, return.
Ace. Said. Bogo pine?
What? Who's Bogo pined? I'm confused. Line 2 in module.
Ace. Said. Just wondering if you got your bogos pine? Wageless worker. Said. I'm literally gribbing everywhere, bro.
You're gribbing it. I am getting the error. Indentation error, unexpected. Oh wait, is it literally just
Wageless worker. Said. Why is the TDS saying bend whenever we say bented?
I don't know. Indentation error. Unexpected incident.
Ace. Said. Do it clap. Ace. Said.
What? Huh?
NVM.
Pardon?
Wageless worker. Said.
Yo. I'm a tad bit concerned
Wageless
about
worker.
that.
Said. Oh, my stream is lagging.
This goes up to that guy. If anyone told you
Wageless
that this
worker.
was easy,
Said.
it's
Oh, my
not.
PEEC.
Holy crap, Peter. That's so many errors. That's
Ace.
104 errors.
Said. I cast laggy steam.
Steam. Not the laggy Steam.
Wageless worker. Said. XDT I cast laggy stream.
No. Not the laggy Steam. Wait, did I seriously just have to go through and indent all of these?
Wageless worker.
I think I do.
Said. I'm gonna steam.
You're gonna Steam it. might have fixed it by doing that, actually. Come on, Lingmane. Come on, MERT. No! Unexpected indent. God damn it. What did I do? I didn't change anything. What if I just unindent this?
Wageless worker. Said. Bro WTF.
Why? Why does...
Wageless worker. Said. Did Hayu just get possessed by the curse of Ra?
The curse of Ra? Yes. I did get yeah, that's what happened. That's a true... I have no idea. I am losing my goddamn mind.
Said, I am dying. Ace.
He's dying.
Said, hell. Ace. Said. Osiotic J-Boygist.
What?
Wageless worker. Said. XDT I cast die of curse of Ra.
I don't want to die to the curse of Ra.
Wageless worker. Said. Wait Tori, do you know what XDT is?
I do now.
Ace. Said. Why you cursor Misra? Ace. Said.
It's the,
Ace. Said. /gad. Ace. Said. GA.
The executable digital twins? Is it not? Why doesn't this work?
Wageless worker. Said. It's the XDX rat thing with the wizard staff.
What?
Wageless worker.
What the hell is the...
Said.
Oh.
Maybe it's a cat, I can't really tell.
Okay, I think I understand what you're referring to now. I don't think I can put a photo of this on the stream. You know, I'm gonna get like demonetized.
Axo, I got a question.
Yeah, you got a question?
Said. You're still at it.
Yes. It's been 2 hours and 40 minutes. He's not working. He still has Alzheimer's.
Wageless worker. Said. My stream lagged. Why are we talking about demonetization?
Because of the rat. The rat thing. I'm gonna get demonetized for like showing nudes on stream.
Wageless worker. Said. What? Ace. Said. How's your day? Wageless worker. Said. In the world are you talking about?
I don't know. My day's been fine. It was alright. This is taking way too long. Your on message properly indented. Yes. Can you rewrite all the Discord button PY to work properly? Alright, now it's writing out the entirety of Discord bot.py. Maybe. Hopefully it does. How many lines is this? This is 200 lines about. And it just wrote a couple. Oh. Okay. Let's see if that worked. Moment of truth. Shit. What is await doing outside function? Line 180 is being a little punk ass. Line 180. There's nothing here. Yeah, there's nothing here, goddammit. Is it because there's two of these? No, there has to be that one there. I don't want to fix it in LangMate. I just want to fix it in the Discord bot.
Wageless worker said, I sent XDT screenshot in general.
Oh, that guy. You know, I saw something else. That's a bit different. Okay.
Wageless worker said, what did bro see?
I can't explain it. We gonna be putting that right here. No way. In fact, we gonna be putting import async file. Import that. That's gonna be going there. I don't know why it's dull. And then this, the rest of this guy, because that's defining main. That's down here. Alright, I should be able to just replace this. Maybe, hopefully. But that start token is not here. To include what you said to change. Ah, Python. Why did I decide to do this?
Said, Tori, do you not have homework?
I did it all yesterday. And the AS100 still hasn't been graded, so I can't use my ROTC journal for LE100 of next week. So no, I technically do not have any homework anymore. I've been doing this for 3 hours, yay! Alright, can we pray that it works? Holy shit. Oh! We got some. We're gonna try that again. It says dispatching event ready. Is he alive? At MERT, are you living? Right now. This is shit. We've been at this for 3 hours. We all we've done is make it worse. Fix. Change it to that. So I just removed .content. Okay, cool. We can do that. .content. Wait. That's something. About Discord bot? Oh yeah, they're all in there. Okay. Saibao.
Wageless worker. Said. Saibao.
Saibao, yes. Why doesn't this work? This has been too long. It's growing. Can't. I don't know what it's doing. It doesn't make sense. This is why I didn't give it a memory to start off with. This is why it has Alzheimer's from the first place. We're gonna have to do a part 2 or something. This is bullshit. Langman, try. We just replace this with that. Okay. Let's see if that works. We have to fix all this indexing.
Wageless worker. Said. I'm surprised that spelling actually made TDS say Saibao.
Yes. Saibao. How does that screw that up? What the hell? Oh. How is that indexing wrong? Screw this, man. Oh, that might have worked. Does anyone have an encouragement to keep trying here? Because this is an absolute pain in the ass, and I physically do not think I can take it anymore. I've been at this for 2 hours 53 minutes.
Said, no pain, no gain. Wageless worker said, lock in. Wageless worker said, broke crackheads are broke, but that doesn't stop them from buying more crack. Wageless worker said, don't let yourself be less motivated than a crackhead.
I guess that is pretty good motivation. Okay. Let's do this. Come on, Langmaid. When this finally works, this is gonna be like most epicest thing possible. Okay, dispatching is ready. MERT. Sci-val. Answer my question.
Cadenvio said, clanker. Cadenvio said, clanker.
Welcome back, Cadenville. The Clanker's dying. Clanker's on life support right now. And it just can't live right now. Does memory still work? That's cool, memory still works. Why doesn't this work?
Wageless worker said, hey, that guy on YouTube has a similar first name to me.
Oh yeah. Huh. That's interesting. If you're curious, his name is John Gemma34B on Discord. If you want to have a word with him.
Wageless worker said, why are there so many Aidens?
I don't know. I got no idea. Instead, do not.
Wageless worker said, Caden, Jaden, Hayden, Aiden.
There is a lot of them. Except... yeah, there is.
Wageless worker said, "What are you gonna do after stream?"
I don't know. Try to see if MERT can survive long enough to create its first words again. But once this little shitter decides to start working, why doesn't it work? Alright, rewriting langmain.py for the 18th time. I am losing it. The code is getting to my head. How do professionals do this? Okay, that's new. Alright.
Wageless worker said, "The motivation of money." Wageless worker.
Holy
said,
shit, it answered the
great
question.
stream lag.
Oh, great stream. Yeah. Oh, 400 bad requests, cannot send an empty message. What the hell was that? At MERT. What was that? It like tries to make a thing. Here, I'm showing this on, oh. Here. So I'm messaging it, right?
Wageless worker
I'm ping it.
said, 400 is a big number.
If I say hello pal, look. Look, what the hell is it doing? And then it tries to send an empty message. What's on your mind? Question mark. Error.
Wageless worker said, "It's making fun of you."
Yeah, but it's dying while doing it.
Wageless worker said, "Those damn egotistical clankers."
Is trying to speak, but is deleting one word and replacing it with the next, then ending with this. Come on, GPT, you know what to do with this. Hopefully you do. 'Cause I sure don't. Oh, that's a lot of errors. On message snippet. This is the on message snippet. PMO. Can you rewrite all of Okay, good thing we saved the previous MERT before this, because this one will probably never work again. But, at least we have the old one, which still works.
Wageless worker said, "Bro, what is happening, lol?"
I don't know, it's really shitting itself now.
Wageless worker said, "I see purple and pink text and that doesn't quite look normal."
None of this is normal. If you were here earlier in the stream, you would know that its thoughts don't look like this normally. It usually thinks in a different font. And the fact that it's like this. Oh! Wait, MERT, are you there? Oh, it's struggling. Oh, it's actually making its first words again.
Wageless worker
It's speaking.
said, "I think in Times New Roman and Arial."
Wait. At MERT, you are very broken. What could be wrong? Look at it go. I've never seen it do this before. And it's not racist anymore. It's self-aware, which is causing these. I've never seen an AI talk like this.
Wageless worker
My developers are.
said, "XDT I cast unracist your bot."
No, I like my racist bot. Okay, MERT is on life support. Oh. I don't like how it edits the message. And why is it...
Wageless worker said, "XDT I cast explodes."
Ace has been dead for a while. Wait. Why does it do this? At MERT, what was the last 3 things I said? It's gonna take forever to generate a response.
Wageless worker said, "I suppose his corpse shall line his coffin."
Yes. Oh? What is it on about? Memory, little shitter, and... what was the last 3 things I said? Holy... It's doing something. It has some sort of memory. It's reading this. What the hell? What was the last 3 things I said? I mean, those are things in the memory. Here. At MERT, what was the first thing I said to you? Bot.
Wageless worker said, "Me when I'm trying to teach a baby to read but the baby refuses to remember, so I'm talking to another adult."
Yes. Oh, the very first thing he said to me was, "Saibao, answer my question." Is that right? In its memory? Yes, it is. Holy shit. Okay, so it's really slow. Like really, really slow. But it has a memory, which is huge. So I guess that's Alzheimer's cured? Kind of? I don't know. Have we done it, chat?
Wageless worker said, me when I'm monitoring the same baby's progress.
We're gonna save this. We are saving this as the temperamental. This is the experiment memory. Okay. And we're gonna compare it to MERT 3 Daily GPT.
Wageless worker said, yeah, it's probably fine.
Yeah, it's fine. So if we run the good MERT that everyone knows and loves, like look at how good this is.
Wageless worker said, I am qualified to talk about Python ACE and have 10 PhDs.
Here, see, this is how it normally thinks, right? It thinks in these long debug lines. And then, when we send a response, boom. Look at how quickly that was. That's how it usually thinks. And I don't know. I have no idea how the hell whatever previously happened. But it's here. We have a model of MERT that technically has a memory. It's not good at using it, and it sure as hell isn't good at all, but it lives, and that's all that matters.
James said, the Lockheed C-130 Hercules is an American 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft.
Okay. Nate, we've been here streaming for 3 hours and 10 minutes. We just got MERT to whisper its sweet sentences again, and now you show up. And thanks to that, I am ending the stream.
Wageless worker said, sweet is debatable.
Yeah. Okay, here, I'm pausing it.
Wageless worker
So
said, MERT Ultra Kill gameplay when? MR Tire James said, sad.
we will see a MERT Ultra Kill playthrough once I give him a body and TTS and voice recognition and everything else. But before then,
Wageless worker
he's gonna live like this.
said, MR Tire James said sad. MR Tire James said, can I make it say fuck yet?
It always has. Have you been asking it anything all of today? That is its entire prompt for Sunday. Okay. I have a life to get to. And this is a 3-hour stream, which is kind of getting
MR
close
Tire
to
James
my stream.
said, nope.
What do you mean by nope?
Wageless worker said, can I make MERT curse out MR's boss?
Probably. Just, I'm gonna keep him online for a while. Just go ask him in the server. Ask him in hashtag MERTFunTime. And this took way too
MR Tire
long.
James said, BC.
No.
Wageless worker said, yippee.
I've been at this for 3 hours. My longest stream was close to 5 hours. I'm ending this now. So, have fun, y'all. Next time I'll stream, maybe tomorrow, probably next weekend. And that's it. This has been Tori, creator of MERT, founder of Axolotl Labs. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.